afternoon, everyone. This is the third day of presentation, and it is the last presentation with paper History of English Literature 1900 to 2000. My topic is dystopian novels, which deals with real and real features. Here are the definition of the utopian concept. Before getting into dystopian concept, that what is dystopia, we have to understand that what is utopian concept. The utopian concept refers to the human efforts to create a hypothetical perfect society. It means it creates a society where there is everything is equal, everything is fair, everything is good. Not even a single thing is bad happens in such type of concept or places. The another one is it refers to a good but impossible proposals, or at least ones that are difficult to carry out. This content has everything what utopian concept deals with. It refers to good, but those elements which are impossible or proposals are at least ones that are difficult to carry it out. The another thing is now dystopian and utopian. What are the difference between both the concepts, and what are the real features and real features into it? As we all know that utopia contains a society where there is everything is good. There is a sense of positivity in it. Same as in utopia, in dystopian concept, we get to know the opposite thing of utopia. In dystopian literature or dystopian term is always related to utopia in an opposite direction, or it is often a utopian goal. Soar means soar here relates to something which is negative, something which is low, something which is dying, and an imaginary place or a state where everything is as bad as it could possibly be. So we have studied also the novels which is based on dystopian concept and utopian concept too. But the picture here relates that everything is confusing. Confusion is the utmost thing, and which is lead by frustration, desire, and all the things which has the negative adjectives or perspectives of life. Here, there are some examples of dystopian novels. Dystopian novels, which are the novels, usually include elements or contemporary society and are seen as warning against some modern trends. Here, some modern trends are the things which has a threat. Now, the question arises: the modern trends has threat of what? Threat of the sense of the feeling that a dystopian novel consisting, because it also denotes the society and its culture, that how it is going on and how it is affecting to each and every people living in the society, and blaming their concept and their mind. The another thing is writers uses them as cautionary tales, and in which humankind is put into a society that may look inviting on the surface but in reality a nightmare. It is connected to the holy desire. Now the holy and desire both are different perspective words, because holy is always used for something which is positive or pure, and the another thing is not as matching to it. So the writer here use as the tales, the writers use this type of tales by denoting something which is going wrong, and it also puts a question mark to humankind and the humanity wherein the world is suffering from. Here are some examples of the dystopian novels, which we or in other presentations also we had considered it. The first is 1984, which develops the concept of human mind, and a dystopian novel also relates the another novels, which is of Aldous Huxley's Brave New World, Fahrenheit 451, A Clockwork Orange, and Animal Farm. The Time Machine also relates to all these novels, which are a concept and denoted examples of dystopian novels. Here I had done the comparison of the novel 1984 versus the Brave New World. Both are similar concept, both are distinguished with the dystopian novel. And the first one is the major difference between the two books. In 1984, the people are controlled by constant governments, surveillance, secret police, and tortures. We had already gone through the novel, and we understand that how it is bad or how it is mind washing to the people who are living in the society where the year 1984 denotes to. And the other one is the Brave New World, which also denotes that humans are controlled by technological interventions that start before birth and actually change what people want. Here, the another thing is the both concepts are similar because there is the term desire involved in it. The desire to be free, the concept of freedom also related to both these novels. In 1984, also people are not getting freed of the corruption and all the ministries. And in Brave New World, also people want to change the world, but there is not even that type of bravery to make a change in the world. So both these novels contain this type of sources. And here are the comparisons of 1984, the Brave New World and Fahrenheit. Their goals is like everyone equal things in the same way. No war, no poverty, or no happiness spying there. And in the third one also we can get a glimpse of absence of things disrupted to the society. The methods which are used in these forms are force, spying, or secret police. In Brave New World also we can find the method which is related to change what and people want. The third one is method used in it is book burnings and no personal experiences related to it. The theme also gone to the same way, which 1984 consists of evils of totalitarianism, and the Brave New World is related with the theme of sacrificing culture and for happiness. And the third one also concludes with the same thing, which consequences of the fast-paced society. The other one is the how the dystopian literature is different from the other literature. The dystopian literature of the periods reflected many concerns that resonated throughout the 20th century, and the concept of dystopia was also introduced to help in reveal the potential consequences of utopia turning against itself. So it is a world where there is two parts, one is negative and one is positive. The negative one contains the dystopian terms, the dystopian literature, which has all this type of concerns to the humanity in it, and it also relates to the 20th century. And the concept of dystopia is also helps in revealing the consequences of a people's strange life. And here the people's strange life is denoted with the thing which is already displayed in the novels like 1984 or the Brave New World. So as all, if we compare the real features of this presentation, I had found out that both the concept are somewhat connected to each other, because there is one word which separates both things, which is opposition. The opposition of something which can also denotes positivity or negativity, and as and where. And dystopian literature also follows all those things which has been turned into modern trends and which are a part of 20th century. These are my references where I had took some points upon in my presentation. Thank you. Hope you all like it.